Welcome to the mathematics with exercise. Today is our sixth lesson and it is about rational numbers. Rational number is a very long topic, so I will try to cover it with the two parts. It is the first part. The second part will come next video. So first we have to learn what is fraction. A number written in the form of a ratio where the top number is referred to as the numerator and the bottom number is referred to as the denominator, like this. 2 is numerator and 3 is denominator, and this is called fraction number. Like 2 divided by 3 is like this. It is a one part and it is equally divided with 3, and I have taken the two parts. I have divided this with 3, it equal 3 parts, and I am going to take two of them, so it is divided by 2. 2 divided by 3. What is unit fraction? Fraction with numerator 1 is called a unit fraction. It's not that much important, but still, if you say if you saw this kind of fraction like 1 divided by 2, 1 divided by 4, 1 divided by 5, like this, so it is called unit fraction. Now this is divided with 4 equal parts, and I have taken one of them like this, so it is called 1 divided by 4. Proper fraction. What is proper fraction? A fraction whose numerator is less than its denominator, and it is always less than or smaller than 1. Like its denominator is always greater than the numerator. 2 divided by 3, 3 is greater than 2. 4 divided by 7, 2 divided by 9, like this. 2 divided by 3, I have divided this with equal 3 parts, and I have taken these 2 parts, so it's called 2 divided by 3. Improper fraction. What is improper fraction? A simple fraction whose value is equal to or greater than 1. Improper fraction, it was less than 1, but in improper fraction it is equal to or greater than 1. The numerator is greater than the denominator. It is the opposite of proper fraction. Like here denominator is smaller but numerator is greater than, like this. Like 6 divided by 4, 11 divided by, like this. It is called improper fraction. And what is the mixed fraction? Consists of a whole number and a simple fraction, like this: 5 4 divided by 3, 2 1 by 2, 3 2 by 3, like this. These are called mixed fractions, and these are called improper fractions. Conversion of an improper fraction into mixed fraction. How I will convert proper fraction into a mixed fraction, improper fraction into a mixed fraction. When we do division in a improper fraction, it will convert into a mixed fraction. If I will divide this one, it will automatically convert in a mixed fraction. Now it is like this: 11 divided by 5, 5 twos are 10. If I will 11 minus 10, it will be 1. So this 5 is always written in the denominator, and this remaining part is written on the numerator, and this 2 will be written there. Same in this question I will do for you people. 19 divided by 3, 3 6 are 18. Now if I will minus 18 from 19, so 1. Again I will write the denominator the same as it is written, like this, and this remaining will go on the upper side, and this division is on this wall. It is like written like this. Convert the below fraction into improper fraction. Now this is the opposite of the improper fraction. Now their mixed fractions are given. I will convert them into improper fraction. How we will do it? I will multiply by this with 3, and I will add 1 in it, like this. 3 3s are 9 plus 1, 10 divided by 3. It is improper fraction. 5 multiplied by 3, 15, plus 2, 17. 17 divided by 3. 7 2s are 14, plus 5, 19. You can do it like this. 7 multiplied by 2 plus 5. 7 2s are 14 plus 5, 19 divided by same. Denominator always same. Just to have to multiply with this and add from the numerator, you will hate the numerator. Like 7 multiplied by 5, 35. I will multiply by this. I will write the denominator same. 5 will be same. 7 multiplied by 5 is 35 plus 1, 36. It is 36 divided by 5. When converting a mixed fraction to an improper fraction, if the integer part is minus, first this sign is ignored and we can use it at the end. If we are going to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction and it is in minus, negative, so I have to ignore this sign first. I have to convert it in the improper fraction, then I have to put the sign. Like 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7 divided by 2. At the end I will put this sign. First I will ignore this sign. Same in this question, I will ignore this sign and first I will multiply, I will convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. 7 multiplied by 3, 21 plus 2, 23 divided by 3. At the end I will put the sign. First I have to ignore the sign and I will put the sign at the end. Extension. What is extension? Oh, I will extend the fractions. If the numerator and the denominator of the fraction are multiplied by the same number, the fraction will be extended. For extending the fraction, I have to multiply the numerator and denominator with the same number. Like if we expand the 3 divided by 7 fraction by 2, we get 6 divided by 14. Like if I will multiply by 2, 7 with 2 and 3 with 2, so I will get 6 divided by 4. These both are same. Just I extended this 3 divided by 7. Like 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14. These both are same, just I extended. If we expand the 13 divided by 20 fraction by 3, we get what we will get. If I will expand this fraction with 3, 3 13s are 39 divided by 60. Just I extended this fraction. I multiply by both numerator and denominator with the same number. And what is simplification? It is the opposite of expansion. Means how we can simplify them. We can simplify them by dividing both numerator and denominator with the same number. We can simplify the fraction by dividing a fraction's numerator and denominator with the same number. Like this. If I will divide this with 10, 10 2s are 20, 10 5s are 50. 2 divided by 5. I am going to divide both of them with the same number, numerator and denominator with the same number, so it is simplification. Like in this, 12 divided by 16. With which number I should divide the both numbers that I can simplify it. Like if I will divide it with 4, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, so 3 divided by 4, it is a simple form of this question. If you don't know the greater number, how I can divide both numbers with the greater number, so you can start from smaller number, from 2. Like in this question, if I will divide both of them with 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 30s are 60. Oh, again I will start with 2. Again I will divide both numbers with 2. 2 1s are 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 15s are 13. Okay, now 12 divided by 15. Now I can divide them with 2, so now I will go on 3. 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. So our answer is 4 divided by 5. Now like this, 48 divided by 60. If I will divide them both of them with 12, 12 divided by 4, it will give you 48. 12 multiplied by 5 will give you 60. You can also divide them directly with 12, but if you don't know that I can multiply with 12, so you can start from smaller number, from 2, from 3. It will give you the same number. Like in 20 35, if I will divide them both of them with 5, 5 4s are 20, 5 7s are 35. Value of fraction. The simplest form is called the value of the fraction. After simplifying a fraction with the largest number dividing the numerator and its denominator, the remaining fraction is called the simplest form of the first fraction. You can understand it like this. The simplest form is called the value of the fraction. Like in 16 divided by 28, with which number I should multiply by this with that I can make the simplest form. 4 4s are 16, 4 7s are 28. So 4 divided by 7 is the value of this fraction. 12 divided by 18. So with 6, if I will divide the 6, divide 6 with numerator and denominator, so I will give 2 3. 2 divided by 3 is the value of this fraction. 32 divided by 8. If I will divide numerator and denominator with the 8, 8 ones are 8, 8 fours are 38. So 4 divided by 1, it will give you the 4. It is the value of this fraction is 4. Which of the fractions given above is equivalent to 5 divided by 8? These fractions are given, so which is equal to 5 divided by 8? 5 divided by 16, I can't make it simplify anymore, so it is not equal to 5 divided by 8. 10 divided by 8, if I will make it simplify, like 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8. 5 divided by 4, no, it is also not equal to 5 divided by 8. If I will simplify this one with the with 2 5s are 10, 2 8s are 16. Oh, this one is equal to 5 divided by 8. So 10 divided by 16 is equal to 5.8. 15 divided by 4, if I will multiply by it, if I divide both numerator and denominator with 3, 3 5s are 15, 3 8s are 24. This one is also equal to 5 divided by 8. This is the simplest form, so we can't divide it, we can't make it simple anymore. So this is also not equal to 5 divided. This just these two are the equal to 5.5 divided by 8. Now we came to our point, rational number. This is our topic. For integers a and b written in the form of a divided b, b is not equal to 0 is called a rational number. That b should not be a 0. These integers, both are integers, and b should not be 0. This is called a rational number. Like 3 divided by 5, 10 divided by 9, minus 5 divided by 3, 7 divided by 1, like this. These are called the rational numbers. We can use minus sign in the fraction when wherever we want. This minus sign can also be put it here, we can also use it here, we can also use it here. These three fractions are same. We can use this minus sign anywhere where we want, like AR in front of 9, in front of 8, wherever we can want, we can use this sign there. Now in this question, x divided by 3 is equal to minus 7 divided by 3. This minus is there, okay, is equal to 7 divided by y. What is the equivalent of x plus y according to the above equation? First I will take these two equations. X divided by 3 is equal to minus 7. I put this minus on the upper side, 7. If their denominators are same, so x will be minus 7. Now in this question, if I will write this 7 divided by minus 3 and 7 divided by y, so this their numerators are same, so y will be is equal to minus 3. So the value of x is minus 7 plus value of y is minus 3. Minus 7 plus minus 3 will be minus 10. So x plus y will be the minus 10. Our answer is minus 10. 0 divided by any number is equal to 0. However, if there is if you will divide 0 with any number, it will give us the 0. Like 0 divided by 4 will give us 0. 0 divided by 150 will give you 0. On the opposite side, if we will divide 0 with any number, it is undefined, like 0 sorry, 5 divided by 0, there is no such kind of fraction, so we can't, it will be undefined. Okay, now let's solve this question. If 12 is equal to m minus 2 is a rational number, then m, if I will put this m2, it will make it 0, so m is equal to 2 is impossible. We can't, it will not be possible, because it will make it 0. 2 minus 2 0, so 12 divided by 0 is undefined, so we can write m is equal to x minus 12 divided by 15 is equal to 0. So what is the value of x? What is the value of x there? It is so much simple. If I will put 12 in this x, it will make the equation 0, so it is directly the value of x is equal to 12. Operations with rational numbers, addition and subtraction. For addition and subtraction in rational numbers, the denominator must be equal. It is our basic condition that denominators must be equal in addition or subtraction in the rational numbers. If not, then we must make the denominators equal. Uh, if the denominators are not equal, so we should make them equal. Let's solve this question. 1 over 2 plus 3 over 2. So their denominators are same, so I will write them as same and I will just add the numerators. The answer will be 4 divided by 2, and I can make it more simplification. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, so the answer is 2. Same in this question, the denominators are same, so I will write them as same, and just I will add the upper side, just I will add the numerator. 7 minus 9, so the result of this fraction will be minus 2 divided by 9. Let's do the operations given below. There are 3 questions, I have to solve them. Their denominators are not equal, so I have to make them equal. How I will make them equal? I will multiply by both of them with their opposite sign. Like it's 3, it is 4. If I will multiply by this with 4 and I will multiply by this fraction with 3, so they will be equal. 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. 4 multiplied by 1 is 4, plus 3 multiplied by 4 is 12. 3 multiplied by 1 is 3. Now their denominators are same, so now I can add the numerators. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7 divided by 12. Same in this question, but in this question 4 is divisible on 2. It is the bigger than 2, so I can, if I can multiply by this with 2, it will give me the same denominator. So if I will multiply by this with 1, no need to multiply with 1, but if you can't understand it, so you multiply by this with 2 and this with 1, it will give you the same denominator. Like 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2, plus 1 multiplied by 4 is 4, 1 multiplied by 5 is 5. Now their denominators are same. Now I can add the numerators, like 2 plus 2 plus 5 is 7. Denominator will be the same. In this question it is also same like the upper one. 8 4, if I will multiply by this with 2, so it will give me the same denominator. 9 divided by 8 minus 1 divided by 4 twos are 8. Now their denominators are same. Now I can add them. I will write the denominator same. 9 minus 1 will give me 8. So 8 divided by 8 1. The answer will be the 1. Let's find the result of this question. 1 divided by 4. Okay, I will write it there for people. 1 divided by 4 plus 1 divided by 2 minus 5 divided by 4. Now these both denominators are same, but I have to make this denominator also 4. So what I should do, that I should make him 4. I will multiply by this denominator with 2. Okay, like 1 divided by 4 plus 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. 2 multiplied by 1 is 2 minus 5 divided by 4. Now their denominators are same, so now I can add them. I will write the denominator same. 1 plus 2 minus 5. 1 plus 2 is 3 minus 5. So the answer is 3 minus 5 is minus 2 divided by 4. Now I can make it more simple, like 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So our final answer is 1 divided by 2. In this question, find the result of this operation. It is like this: minus 5 plus 1 multiply 1 divided by 4. If we will put 1 here, it is there is already 1. We are not going to write it 1, but there is already 1 is present here. So now how I will make the denominator same? I will multiply by this with 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 fives are minus 20, plus if I will multiply with this with 1, it will be same, 1 divided by 4. Now their denominators are same, so I will write them same. 4 minus 20 plus 1. Our final result will be minus 19 divided by 4. What is the result of these operations? First I have to solve the bracket. What is there in bracket? 10. Their denominators are same, so I will write I will just add them because their denominators are same. 1 plus 4 is 5, minus now 1 divided by 10 minus 1 divided by 5 minus 3 divided by 5. So their denominators are not same. I have to make the denominator same. So if I will multiply by this fraction with 2 and this fraction with 2, so it gives me the same denominators, like 2 fives are 10, multiply by 2 multiply by 3 is 6, minus 2 fives are 10, 2 ones are 2, minus it is already 10. Now I can add them because their denominators are same. Now 5 divided by 10 minus their denominators are same, so 10. 6 minus 2 minus 1, so minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3, 6 minus 3 is 3. If you are not understand this one, I can do for you people like this, that it is 10, 6 minus 2 minus 1, minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3, 6 minus 3, it will give me 3. So 3 divided by 10. Now their denominators are same, so now I can add them. 10, 5 minus 3, it will be the same, 2 divided by 10. Now I can make it more simple. 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10. So our final result will be 1 divided by 5. It is our final result. In this question, let's see like this: a b divided by c. We are going to do it like this. I am going to multiply by a with c and add with b. A multiplied by c plus b. We are doing it like this. It can be written as like this: a b divided by c, a plus b divided by c. We can also write it like this. Now it is like this. I will solve for you people some examples, like 2 5 over 3. We are going to multiply with this 2 with 3. 2 3s are 6 plus 5 divided by 3. It will give me 6 plus 5 is 11 divided by 3. If I will write it like this: 2 plus 5 divided by 3, it will also give me the same result. 3 multiplied by 2 is 6, plus 5 11 divided by 3. In the previous question we did like this: 2 plus 5 divided by 3. I write here 1 because there is 1 present, and now I have to make the denominators same. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, plus 5 divided by 3. Their denominators are same, so 3, 5 plus 6 is 11. So it will give me the same question. The same, my aim is to make understand you people like this, that if I will write it like this or like this, they will give me the same answer. If it is minus 2 5.5 divided by 3, so this minus is with the whole fraction. This minus is also with 2. It can also be minus 2 minus 5 divided by 3. I will write it like this because this minus is also with 2, this minus is also with 5 divided by 3. What is the result of this operation? 5 5 1 by 39 plus 3 1 by 39 minus 7 1 by 39. Now first I have to make them separate, because I can write this equation like this: 5 plus 1 divided by 39 plus 3 plus 1 divided by 39 minus 7 minus 1 divided by 39, because this minus is also with 7, this minus is also with 1 divided by 39. Now first I have to add these integers because their denominator is 1. So first I will add them. 5 plus 3 is 7, 5 plus 3 is 8, minus 7 will give me 1. Then plus 1 divided by 39 minus 1 divided by 39, they will cancel each other. So just remaining is 139. Now if I will multiply by this 39 with 1 plus 1, 39 multiplied by 1 is 39 plus 1 is 40. So 40 divided by 39. I hope you get this question like this. I can write them separate, like 5 plus 1 divided by 39, 3 plus 1 divided by 39 minus 7 minus 1 divided by 39. And this minus is also with 7, also with 1 divided by 39. So these integers, first I have to do operation in the integers, like 5 plus 3 is 8 minus 7 is 1. 1 plus this 1 divided by 39 minus 1 divided by 39, they cancel each other. So just remaining this 1 divided by 39. So 1 plus 1 divided by 39, it will give me the 40 divided by 39, because 39 multiplied by 1 is 39 plus 1 is 40. Okay, our video is finished. So see you people in the next video.